Check out this 2008 Ford Super Duty F-450 DRW. Carfax has certified this Super Duty F-450 DRW as having one owner. This Super Duty F-450 DRW has just under 86,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This Super Duty F-450 DRW boasts a 6.4-liter engine and has an automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include power steering, AM/FM stereo and passenger airbag. Call 888-904-1295 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.